You're going to identify your high performers. You're going to look at the viral tab, see what's already working, or you're going to use the Chrome extension if you want to look at an individual. I just love the Chrome extension because I'm already poking around LinkedIn so much that when I find somebody, I just love using it. Then you find the repeating patterns. So I'm looking at Alex Hermosi's LinkedIn profile and I'm looking at his top performing posts. This top performing post is about how, like his mother. This top performing post is a timeline about his life. And this top performing post is about being in a bad mood. So immediately what I see as these repeating patterns is they are personal, they are vulnerable, they are showing failures, they are showing his humanity. So immediately the post that stands out to me is this one. 23 years old, left my consulting job. 24 years old, opened 5 gym locations. 26 years old, closed down the 6th gym, lost everything. And he goes on and on to share different milestones of his life. So immediately what I'm gonna do is I am going to go and plug this into the Taplio post generator, and I'm going to share a couple of notes. So I'm gonna share, I'll show you guys kind of like how I would do this. I actually think I have this in a draft right now. Yes, okay. So I'm going to give the post generator kind of the idea. I'm gonna say, hey, I want to make a post that chronicles my career timeline by year. I'm going to put that in the AI assist. I'm going to generate a post, and this is already in my drafts, but we can ask it again. And it's going to give you a post. Super, super cool. And what's really cool about this AI assist is it's actually generated for LinkedIn. It's generated for LinkedIn. Like it understands the LinkedIn algorithm in a way that like ChatGPT or Claude just doesn't do. I think ChatGPT and Claude are great. They're really helpful. I use them a lot in my content. But the problem with that when you're creating content is if you go tell ChatGPT, hey, make me a LinkedIn post, it's going to make you the most boring LinkedIn post you have ever seen that is just not optimized at all for LinkedIn because it's reading, honestly, the kind of sucky LinkedIn post. So what's really cool about Taplio Pro and using the AI assist is it actually, again, has that entire library of viral posts. So it already understands the patterns. The AI assist already knows what's a good hook. It already knows how to format something really well for LinkedIn, right? Like you can see it's got these natural line breaks. It's got kind of like a LinkedIn optimized voice in where other platforms just don't do that. What's really cool too is let's say like, oh, this is a little bit too casual. I want to make it more formal. It's a little bit too formal. I want to make it more casual. And it's going to make those edits for you. And you can actually schedule this right here. You can post it or you can schedule it. Amazing. Like it's incredible. Okay. So again, adapting to your voice, you can just give it straight feedback and say, actually, I want you to make this in the voice of like a sassy young woman, or you can just click these buttons. Super cool.